Hello, good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing exceptionally well. Thanks for your concern. And what about you?
I am exceptionally well. Thank you so much for asking, ma'am. So, ma'am, you're most welcome to my channel Run to Learn English, and I am really glad you joined me today.
Thank you so much and for uh, giving me your sorry. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. So it's my pleasure.
Likewise. So, ma'am, since we are meeting to the very first time, I really want to know about yourself.
Yeah, sure. As you know that my name is Kiran Saw. Basically, I'm from Bihar, but living in West Bengal. I raised and brought up in West Bengal. And if I talk my education, so I have done my BCom honors. And currently, I'm a homemaker and mother of two adorable boys. Simultaneously, I'm running my YouTube channel named by English with Kiran, where I upload conversational video, solo video, and sometimes grammar related video I upload. And if I talk my hobbies, so I have a different type of hobbies like reading, cooking, and interact new people. And simultaneously nowadays I'm more into learning English language. So that's all about me. So may I know something about you?
Okay, glad to hear you, ma'am. Yes, sure, ma'am. Glad to hear you, and your introduction so captivated. You are handling a lot of things, so I really appreciate you. So I introduce myself. My name is Poonam, and I have done. Hello, everyone. My name is Poonam. I have done B.Ed. Now I am running my YouTube channel. I am learning and growing, and I am a homemaker. I am the mother of a daughter. That's pretty much about me.
But you don't like mother, like you like a girl. So that's why I was confused
Okay.
little bit that you are married or not. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me a compliment. Your compliment means a lot to me. Many people give me same kind of compliment. You don't like a mother, you don't like a married girl. So this is a huge compliment for me. So, ma'am, I really captivated from you as you mentioned that you are from Bihar. Now you are living in West Bengal. So how
No,
long you
no,
have been living here?
I r- original originally I'm from Bihar, but I didn't get chance to live there. I raised and brought up in West Bengal
Okay.
since my childhood. So yeah, whatever your
Okay.
question,
So
you
you
can.
are
Yeah.
okay. So you born and brought up in West Bengal.
No, I was born in Jharkhand. It's my mother parental house, and I
Okay.
raised
So, ma'am,
and
I
brought up in
really
West
want
Bengal.
to know. Okay, that's amazing. So, ma'am, I really want to know how long you have been running your YouTube channel.
It's been 5 months. It's going on. And earlier I used to talk in on audio call. But now, just 5 months
Okay.
back, I created my channel and I'm working on.
Okay. So, ma'am, what were the reason behind it? You work on your communication skills.
Yeah, reason just I watch just sentences. I used to watch sentences earlier because something happened with me.
Okay.
So that's why I wanted to change my mind so that I used to watch sentences, but I'm not into learning English language. But just I when I got to know that importance of this language, that my kids were struggling at school due to this language. So that's why decided myself to learn this language. So that is why now I'm working on my language and communication skill so that I can help my kids to learn this language. Currently, I'm speaking with them in Hindi. Sometimes I try to push myself to speak in English, but to be honest, nowadays I'm speaking in Hindi with them.
Okay. So, ma'am, that's very amazing. I really appreciate you. That means you want to create the environment for your kids, and you are a homemaker. There are many things on your plate, and you are working on your communication skills. So that's very amazing. So, ma'am, I really want to know, does your children speak in English?
Yeah, my kids are not. Yeah, sometimes they speak in English at school. My not my younger one, my elder one, he speaks in English at school. But at home, he rarely speak with me in English.
Okay. So, ma'am, I
And
really captivated the way you speak, and you started your journey. It's been 5 months. So you are practicing a lot. And initial, when you have started to learning the language, you started talking with people on audio call. Now you are talking with people on video call. So what is the changes you have seen in your way of talking? Like audio call, that you are talking with people, that means you are not aware other person is looking you attentively and listening you consciously. When it comes to when it's come to video call, that means you are be conscious, you become conscious.
yeah,
People, other person is listening to me, body language, hand gesture, face expressions, your way of talking, so many things matters a lot. So ma'am, how was your first reaction when you have joined your first video call?
yeah. I to be honest, when I started for speaking in front of camera, so that time I was more confident. But after that, when I watched my previous video, and I felt like I was making mistake here and there, so that things made me underconfident. And still I am making mistakes sometime, because now I'm learning. I'm not pro in this language, so sometime I make mistake. But earlier I was more underconfident, but now I'm trying to reduce my underconfident and try to reduce my mistake. So now I'm learning. So sometimes it's happened that I make mistake. And it was my first conversation video, like with Manju ma'am. So she made me comfortable a lot, and she felt me as a motherhood. So that is why I was so confident, and I spoke very well that time. But after that, whenever I speak, then I felt underconfident. Still, sometimes I skip my speaking practice, so that's why I'm feeling underconfident. I'm not able to speak in front of camera. Still, like yesterday, I had a session with a lady. I just forgot her name. Sorry, I'm for just forget her name. So I was not able to speak because I skip my practicing. So sometimes it's happened with me whenever I skip my practicing. So I feel I'm feeling like fumbling and getting stuck. This type of things happen with me. So nowadays I'm trying to stick with my goal and stick with my practicing. But as a homemaker, it's not possible every day. So yeah. So this is why.
Yes, ma'am. I totally agree with you. Like as you mentioned that earlier you was the language, and you took your first step to converse with the other people, because first step always scared you. First
Actually,
step
the
always
things is
stop
that,
you.
yeah, actually, the things is that, like, I left my study for 10 years. And after that, when I started my
Okay.
journey for studying, so it was uncomfortable for me, because I used to teach my kids only, and I didn't do anything for
Yes, yes.
myself. So that is why I thought, like, I didn't make any identity for myself. So simultaneously, kids, there is a goal for learning English language to my kids, okay, for my kids. But simultaneously, I didn't any identity, so that is why I'm learning this language, so that I make myself um, busy, okay, and I'm trying to learn something, so it is beneficial for me. That do you have baby boy or baby girl?
Ma'am, I have baby girl.
Okay, so how old she is? Sorry, how old is she?
Ma'am, she turned 4 year old.
Okay, 4 year. So it's a very difficult to
Yes.
you to manage everything. Like she is too small, not yeah, old,
Yes,
right?
ma'am, she is not old, and it is quite difficult for me to connect with the people. Usually, I don't connect front of her. I don't create the session front of her, because if she sleep, so I connect with the people. If she doesn't sleep, so I don't create any session. I don't prefer to someone connect with anyone, because if when you are talking to someone, when you are connecting to someone, other person putting their time, because time is very precious. Everyone is running out of the time. So that's why I have to take it. So that's why if she sleeps, so I attend the session with anyone.
Yeah, you are doing hard work too, because running YouTube channel and taking care of kids and uh, doing household chores, it's not cup of tea, right?
Yes, ma'am. But if we want to achieve something in your life, so we will have to be aware for ourselves.
Yeah, definitely.
But as a woman, as a girl, you will have to be care, but for yourself. What you can do for yourself, nobody will do for you, I
Yeah.
think.
So when did you started your YouTube journey?
Ma'am, it's been 1 year is about to done.
Okay, 1 year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
1 year about to done when
okay.
I have created my YouTube channel. So at my initial days, my communication skills were pathetic. So I practiced a lot. Before creating the YouTube channel, I was practicing a lot. So then I thought, I don't have environment, I don't have people. If you have knowledge, if you don't spread your knowledge in front of the other person, how you will get to know how much potential you have, how much caliber you have. So that's why I choose YouTube to upskill myself, as well as to learning process, because learning process always upgrade you.
So is there any goal do you have, like you want to achieve for learning English language? Now you are learning English language.
Okay, as I want to spread the awareness about this language, because many people, they think speak in English anyone can. No, how to speak, what to speak matters a lot, because many people, they say that English is nothing. English speak can anyone. No, it is not. It is not a reality. Yes, you should have a strong reason what you are going to speak with other person. Why people will listen to you if you don't have a strong point, if you don't have a strong reason? People will prefer you when you have a strong reason. You hold other person attention matters a lot. So that's why I choose myself. No matter what, I will upskill myself, I will change my personality, I will change myself. So if today I am talking to you, it is a long journey that I have faced, and a lot of challenges I have faced. And initial days, when I have started to learning the language, I didn't have environment, I didn't have people, I was clueless, I was demotivated, I was directionless, I was underconfident. So many things I have faced, but I choose myself. No matter what, I will work on myself. I will change my personality. So that's why I'm talking to you. And in this year, I have started to converse with the people, because unless you will not come out from your comfort zone, how you will get to know how much potential you have? We have a lot of power. We have a lot of potential, but until you will not take the action, nothing will going to change for yourself.
Definitely, it's a true. So what do you think, is grammar important for learning English language?
Okay. Ma'am, grammar is not too much important, but grammar play the vital role to speak in English. Because if you don't have a strong foundation on the sentences, how you will speak in English? First step, you should take the action to speak from your mouth. Because when you were a child, when you start to speak with your native language, at that time, no one tell you just learn the matras, all those things. You have started to speak from surrounded yourself. You have started to speak because of the environment with your native language. So grammar is not that much important, but this is the second language. You will have to understand that. First, you will have to make the strong foundation on the grammar, because don't learn the nitty-gritty of grammar, adverb, adjective, all those things. If you will learn the nitty-gritty of grammar, you will stuck there. You will have to face the challenges, and you will get to know, I don't know about anything grammar, how I speak, and you will close your book. You underestimate yourself. So just work on the sentence structure: present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite. If your base is strong on the sentence structure, so definitely you will survive with the English language. So first step, speak in English as much as you can, because no one speak on your behalf. When you get the environment, when you fear the challenges, when you get the environment, when you get the opportunity, no one speak on your behalf. You will have to fear the challenges. So first step is speak. Then you feel my foundation is not good to frame the sentences. Work on the grammar.
So are you from English background? Like English
No,
medium
ma'am, I
school?
am not.
Did you study?
Okay. No, ma'am. My background is Hindi, and I born and brought up with the Hindi language. My schooling was from Hindi medium school, so my environment was Hindi. But I worked a lot to learning the language, so that's why I'm talking with you.
Yeah, definitely. Same kind happened with me. Like I'm a totally Hindi background. So now I'm trying to push myself for learning English language. And I can say like now I'm enjoying, right? Because
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, we should enjoy our journey so that we can learn more and more. If we take pressure, so we don't learn anything, right?
Okay.
So
So, ma'am,
I
I really
think,
want to know what do you do in your free time?
yeah, I really, to be honest, I do not get free time. So rarely if I get free time, so just I started my reading practice, but because I have a pronunciation problem, so that is why whenever I get time, so I try to read something, one page. So this is my I can say like free time I do these things.
Okay, so you want to improve your pronunciation, that you start to read books.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
So, ma'am,
really it
what kind
helped
of
me.
book do you read?
I do not have a particular book. Just I read my kids' book because
Okay, kids
they
book. That's
yeah,
very amazing.
these books are very simple and easy to understand. So that is why I read those kind of books.
Okay, but ma'am, I want to say one thing. I really proud on you. You are a mother of two kids. You are running your YouTube channel. You want to upgrade your level, and you want to become a good person. So, ma'am, as you mentioned that you have started to speak in English with your kids. You have started to teach to your kids. So you have created your own environment, because you were not confident, but you build your confidence when you have started to speak with your kids, when you have started to teach with your kids. So that's very amazing. But man, many people, they always give the excuses: I don't have environment, I don't have people with whom I speak. So what would you like to say for those people?
Yeah, actually, you know what? No one can do anything for us. I need to do
Yes,
something
ma'am.
for myself, right? This is this should be perception we have, so that we can create environment for ourselves or we can learn something. There is no, I'm not talking about only English. Anything, whatever you want to learn, you have to push yourself and you have to give time, dedication, yours. Then after you can learn. Otherwise, no one can force you, no one can push you, right? It is your choice that what type of things do you want to learn. It is up to you, right?
Yes, ma'am. I totally agree with you. It is up to you. You should dedicate it toward learning the language. So, ma'am, have you ever feel hesitate when you have started to speak in English?
Yeah, I had face hesitation, and still I am facing sometime. It's a human tendency.
Okay.
So we
So, ma'am,
feel.
how did you overcome your hesitation?
Actually, you know what? If I talk my confident, so earlier I used to be very shy person, but I have already mentioned you that I had to leave my own house. So after that, I had to take care everything. on my own. Okay, so that is why I build my confidence from where, and if so that I am able to speak. Okay, and if I talk my English journey, so I had a hesitation because my thoughts were not clear that time. I was not aware about English language. Okay, so that is why I was fumbling, I was getting stuck. But if I talk my confident, so I am able now currently, due to my situation, my time taught me a lot. So that is why I am a confident person and I can speak uh, any person. Like it doesn't matter person are who are the person, like elder, younger, and senior citizen. Doesn't matter. I can speak with everyone.
Okay, wow, ma'am, that's very amazing because you did, and that's very amazing as you mentioned that you overcome your hesitation because of the speak. You overcome your fear. Okay, so I really captivated from you because there are many people they stop themselves because of the hesitation. Why is this happen? Because lack of practice, lack of confidence. Once you start to practice slowly and gradually, you will become habitual to speak in English. What is fear? Fear is nothing. Fear is overthinking. Before you speak, you overthink a lot. Many people, before they speak, they underestimate themselves. I can't speak English fluently. I can't do my best. Why you can't do your best? If you will put your effort, if you are dedicated, if you will work with confidence, so definitely you will become habitual to speak in English. Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible if you have positive mindset. So I would say positive mindset matters a lot. If you have positive mindset, nobody can change your way of talking. Nobody can change your motivation.
Yeah, definitely. And actually, you know what? Fair and confident, everything in our side, right? Whatever, what would
Yes,
you
ma'am.
like to show up? It's up to you. Confident or fair?
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like to show up? It's up to you. If you want to show up your fear, definitely it will be so. And if you want to uh, show your confident, so your confident will be so up, right? So it's up to you. And you should motivate yourself. There is no one who can motivate you, right? We are teacher
Yes,
ourselves,
ma'am.
right? So
Yes, ma'am. We can teach ourselves, we can motivate ourselves, we can support ourselves.
yeah,
People will show you the direction, but unless you will not implement on yourself, so nothing will going to change.
definitely. I completely agree with you.
Yes, ma'am. So do you have any question for asking, ma'am?
Yeah, currently I don't have any question. So yeah,
You know what kind of message you want to people? They want to speak English fluently, but they want to follow the consistency. So what are the major tips? They follow the consistency and they become eloquent speaker.
what type of message? Actually, the message is that like don't think more and more. Just think our work. What what type of work you are doing? Just you should be dedicated. Okay, because if you are dedicated, definitely you will get fruitful result, right? If you think more and more, then at the end of the day you will do, and you would not do anything, and you will be demotivated. So you should think, no, don't think more and more, just focus on your work. Definitely you will get your fluency and your accuracy.
Yes, ma'am. I totally agree with you. Many people they wear their time to think rather than take action. So don't think more, start to take action.
Yeah,
Once you start to take action, definitely you will become eloquent speaker. And many people they wear their time to search on the YouTube how to learn the language, what kind of tricks and techniques they should follow. And end of the day, they realize they wear their time to search how I learned the language rather than to search how I learned the language. I would say just start to speak English, whatever you see the around yourself. Because once you start to speak English fluently, you will see the drastic change in your fluency as you will see the drastic change in your personality. Because if you want to change something, you will have to take action. You will have to show your courage, because unless you will not show your courage, how you can expect from the other person? People will help you, people would help you, people would guide you, but you will have to take the action. First step always stop you, but if you will take the first step, that step open the lot of opportunity to make the best version of yourself. You will get the better opportunity in your future.
Definitely. Instead wasting time, if you waste your time, instead of wasting time, you should work upon for learning anything. Definitely you will get your goal, right? Because
Okay, so ma'am,
sometimes
any
it's
message?
happen, yeah,
Okay, continue.
sometimes it's happen like we think more and more, and we don't push ourselves for learning anything, right? So that is
Yes
I can
ma'am.
say that it is waste of time. Don't run behind perfection, just run behind improvement, so that you can improve,
Yes ma'am.
right? If you
Yes
try
ma'am.
to make, if you want to be perfect, then the day will
Mhm.
never be come. So try to be improve yourself every single day, step by step, just a baby step you should take, and definitely you will get your fluency and your goal, right? So don't think more, just push yourself, just take action. Definitely it will be a fruitful result.
Yes, ma'am. I totally agree with you as you raised the great topic, because don't wait for the perfection. Many people, they think when I will become perfect to speak English fluently, so I start to speak English fluently. No, the way you have, if you start to speak with imperfection, so definitely perfection will follow you. But don't waste your time for perfection. Don't waste your time to good at English. If you will start to speak English fluently, slowly, gradually, you will become habitual. And just first step always stop you. Never stop yourself from first step. That first step always help you to become better.
Yeah, definitely. So I think we are running out of the time. So I really enjoyed to talk to you. Thank you so much for giving me your sorry, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Okay, ma'am, it's my pleasure. Thank you so much for joining me today. And good evening. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah,
We will connect
really
again.
enjoyed to talk to you. Thank you so much.
Okay, it's my pleasure. Bye bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye bye.